Welcome to the fascinating world of bees. These buzzing insects, often seen flitting from flower to flower, are essential to our planet's health. From the honey they produce to the vital role they play in pollination, bees are truly remarkable creatures. In this exploration, we'll delve into the hive, uncovering the secrets of their organized lives. We'll journey with them as they forage for nectar and pollen, witnessing their vital role in the cycle of life. Join us as we discover the intricate dance of bees. Step inside a beehive and you'll find a bustling city of activity. The honeycomb, a masterpiece of engineering, is a testament to their collaborative spirit. Each hexagonal cell serves a purpose, from storing honey to nurturing the young. The bees, a harmonious society, work tirelessly for the collective good. This intricate social structure, with its clear division of labor, is crucial for their success. Understanding bees is not just about appreciating their fascinating lives. Bees are vital pollinators, ensuring the reproduction of countless plant species, including many of the fruits and vegetables we rely on. Their decline in recent years is a serious concern, threatening not just their own survival, but the health of ecosystems worldwide. By learning about these incredible creatures, we can better understand the threats they face and take action to protect them. The sun rises, casting a warm glow on the hive. Inside, the colony stirs. A new day begins, filled with vital tasks for every bee. Each bee, from the youngest worker to the queen herself, has a role to play. Foraging for food, caring for the young, and defending the colony are all in a day's work. The survival of the hive depends on their collective efforts. The workers, the busiest bees in the hive, embark on their foraging flights, their mission to gather nectar and pollen. These essential resources sustain the colony. The workers, with their keen sense of smell, seek out blooming flowers. Pollen, clinging to their furry bodies, is carefully stored in special sacks on their legs. Laden with their precious cargo, they navigate back to the hive. Returning workers are greeted by the hive's bustling activity. The air hums with the energy of thousands of bees. The nectar and pollen they bring back are crucial. Nectar is passed from bee to bee, a process that transforms it into honey. This sweet liquid gold is stored in the honeycomb, a vital food source for the colony. Pollen, rich in protein, is essential for feeding the developing larvae. Within the hive, communication is key. Bees communicate through intricate dances. These dances, performed in the darkness of the hive, convey vital information. The waggle dance, a figure-8 pattern with vigorous shaking, is particularly fascinating. Its duration and angle relative to the sun communicate the distance and direction to a food source. This remarkable communication system ensures the hive's efficiency and survival. At the heart of every hive resides the queen bee, a majestic figure easily identified by her larger size and elongated abdomen. Her presence is not one of a ruler dictating orders, but of a mother ensuring the continuation of her colony. Her life is dedicated to a single, crucial purpose: laying the eggs that will become the next generation of bees. The queen's life begins as a larva, chosen by fate and nurtured with a special diet of royal jelly. Once she matures, she embarks on a mating flight, a once-in-a-lifetime event where she mates with several drones, storing their sperm for years to come. From then on, her days are filled with a continuous cycle of egg-laying. She meticulously deposits thousands of eggs into the honeycomb cells, each egg representing the potential for a new life. Her pheromones signal her well-being and maintain the hive's social order. The vast majority of bees in a hive are worker bees, and as their name suggests, they are the tireless workforce that keeps the colony running smoothly. These are all female bees, but unlike the queen, they are not able to reproduce. Their lives are a testament to dedication and selflessness, each day filled with a variety of tasks essential for the hive's survival. From the moment a worker bee emerges from her cell, her life is a whirlwind of activity. Her initial tasks involve cleaning and preparing cells for the queen's eggs and caring for the developing larvae as she matures. Her duties expand to include building and repairing the honeycomb, guarding the hive entrance, and foraging for nectar and pollen. The worker bees are the engine that drives the hive, their collective effort ensuring that the colony thrives and prospers. Amongst the industrious workers and the regal queen, a smaller group of bees live a more leisurely life, the drones. These male bees, larger than the workers but smaller than the queen, lack the ability to sting and do not participate in the daily chores that keep the hive running. Their purpose, while seemingly less demanding, is crucial for the colony's survival, to mate with a virgin queen. Drones spend their days eating honey and waiting for the opportunity to mate. They rely entirely on the worker bees for their sustenance, a testament to the colony's commitment to ensuring successful reproduction. When the time is right, they leave the hive and congregate in drone congregation areas, hoping to attract a queen. Those that successfully mate with a queen die shortly after, fulfilling their biological imperative. The others, unable to mate, may eventually be expelled from the hive by the worker bees as resources dwindle towards the end of summer. The beehive is a testament to the power of collaboration and specialization. Each type of bee, with its unique role, contributes to the well-being of the entire colony. The queen, the mother of the hive, ensures the continuation of their lineage. The worker bees, tireless and dedicated, build and maintain the hive, care for the young, and gather the resources necessary for survival. The drones, seemingly living a life of leisure, fulfill their vital role in reproduction, ensuring the genetic diversity of future generations. The success of the bee colony lies in its unity, a harmonious balance of individual purpose and collective good. Understanding the different types of bees and their roles provides a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of these fascinating creatures. The life of a bee, from its humble beginnings as a tiny egg, is a fascinating journey of transformation and purpose. The queen, carefully navigating the honeycomb, deposits a single pearly white egg into each cell, her actions setting in motion a chain of events that will determine the future of the colony. Within the warmth of the hive, nurtured by the constant attention of worker bees, the egg begins its transformation. After about 3 days, the egg hatches, revealing a small white larva. Blind and helpless, the larva depends entirely on the worker bees for nourishment. They are fed a special diet of royal jelly, a protein-rich secretion produced by young worker bees. As the larva grows, it molts, shedding its skin several times to accommodate its increasing size. After about a week of constant feeding and care, the larva is ready for its next transformation. The worker bees seal the cell with a porous wax cap, and within the darkness, the magic of metamorphosis begins. The fate of a developing bee, whether it will become a worker, a drone, or a queen, is determined by nutrition and royal influence. The queen, through her egg-laying choices and royal jelly, shapes the destiny of her offspring. Worker bees develop from fertilized eggs and receive bee bread after initial royal jelly. Drones, the male bees, develop from unfertilized eggs and receive bee bread. A new queen is fed royal jelly throughout her larval stage, triggering queenly development. The lifespan of a bee is a delicate balance between the individual's role within the hive and the rhythms of nature. Worker bees, the tireless laborers, live for only a few weeks during summer, constantly foraging and tending to the brood. The wear and tear of their relentless work, coupled with outside dangers, take a toll on their bodies. Winter bees, born at the end of the season, live for several months, maintaining the hive's warmth and caring for the queen. Drones, the male bees, live a shorter life, emerging in late spring to mate with a virgin queen. As summer ends, drones are expelled from the hive, their brief lives ending abruptly. The queen, mother of the hive, lives for several years, laying eggs to ensure the colony's survival. When a new queen takes her place, the transition is swift and brutal, reflecting the cyclical nature of life in the hive. Understanding the intricacies of bee life cycles is not just an academic exercise. It's crucial for appreciating the delicate balance that sustains these fascinating creatures and the vital role they play in our ecosystem. By recognizing the factors that influence their development, lifespan, and overall health, we can become better stewards of their future. Knowing that worker bees have short lifespans during the summer, for instance, highlights the importance of providing them with ample foraging resources. Understanding the queen's role in determining the caste of her offspring emphasizes the need to protect her from harm and ensure her continued well-being. By delving into the world of bees, exploring their life cycles, and appreciating the interconnectedness of their social structure, we gain a deeper understanding of their importance to our planet's health. This knowledge empowers us to make informed choices that support bee populations, protect their habitats, and ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. As we've journeyed through the fascinating lives of bees, we arrive at a crucial understanding. Bees are far more than just honey producers. They are essential players in the intricate web of life. Their buzzing flights orchestrate the growth and diversity of our planet's flora. This vital role is pollination, a delicate dance that ensures the continuation of countless plant species. Imagine a world without bees. Forests would shrink, meadows would become barren, and our dinner plates would be drastically emptier. This is a stark reality we face as bee populations decline globally. Section 2. Beyond honey, the ripple effect of bee activity. The impact of bee pollination extends far beyond the sweetness of honey in our tea. It's a fundamental process that underpins the health and diversity of our ecosystems. From the vast fields of wildflowers that paint our landscapes with vibrant hues, to the towering trees that provide us with shade and oxygen, a significant portion of the plant kingdom relies on pollinators like bees for their survival. Consider the humble apple, a staple fruit enjoyed in countless homes around the world. Without the diligent work of bees, apple trees would fail to bear fruit, their branches heavy with the promise of a harvest that never arrives. The same holds true for a staggering array of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds that form the foundation of our diets and sustain countless other species. The ripple effect of bee activity extends far beyond our dinner plates. Pollination supports the growth of healthy forests, which in turn provide habitats for a myriad of animals, regulate our climate, and protect our water sources. The decline of bee populations, therefore, is not just an environmental concern, it's a threat to our own well-being and the delicate balance of our planet. Section 3. A world without bees, a sobering thought experiment. Imagine, for a moment, a world stripped bare of its buzzing pollinators. Supermarket shelves, once laden with a colorful bounty of fruits and vegetables, now stand sparsely stocked, their offerings limited to wind-pollinated crops like wheat and corn. Coffee, a morning ritual for millions, becomes a rare and expensive commodity, its production dwindling without the diligent work of bees. The vibrant tapestry of wildflowers that once adorned our landscapes fades to a monotonous green, their absence leaving a void in the ecosystem. Forests, deprived of the diversity that pollination provides, become more susceptible to diseases and pests. The air, once alive with the hum of bees, falls silent, a chilling reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the potential consequences of our actions. This bleak scenario, while a thought experiment, serves as a stark reminder of the crucial role bees play in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. Their decline is a warning sign, a call to action to protect these vital creatures and the ecosystems that depend on them. Section 4. Our shared responsibility protecting the buzz that sustains us. The future of bees, and indeed the future of our planet's health, rests in our hands. We have a shared responsibility to protect these vital pollinators, to ensure that their buzzing flights continue to orchestrate the symphony of life on Earth. The good news is that even small actions can make a significant difference. Planting bee-friendly gardens and balconies filled with a diversity of flowering plants provides essential foraging resources for these industrious insects. Supporting local beekeepers ensures that honeybees are cared for and their populations remain healthy. Reducing or eliminating the use of pesticides in our gardens and agricultural practices protects bees from harmful chemicals that can decimate their populations. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of bees and the threats they face is crucial for fostering a sense of responsibility and inspiring collective action. By understanding the interconnectedness of all living things, we can begin to make choices that support not only the survival of bees, but the health and well-being of our planet for generations to come. As we've journeyed through the bustling world of the beehive, we've witnessed a microcosm of nature's brilliance. From the intricate dance of the waggle dance to the selfless dedication of worker bees, each facet of their lives speaks to the power of collaboration. These tiny creatures play an outsized role in shaping our world. Their buzzing flights a vital thread in the intricate tapestry of life. The honey they produce is a sweet reminder of their greater purpose. Bees are architects of biodiversity, ensuring the continuation of countless plant species. Yet this delicate balance, this intricate web of life woven by bees and other pollinators, is under threat. The very creatures that sustain us are facing unprecedented challenges, their populations declining at alarming rates due to a combination of factors, many of them driven by human activities. Habitat loss, climate change, pesticide use, and the spread of diseases are all taking a toll on these vital insects, their once familiar buzz becoming increasingly faint in our gardens and countryside. The consequences of their decline are far-reaching, impacting not only the beauty and diversity of our natural world, but also our food security and the health of our ecosystems. A world without bees is not just a bleak thought experiment. It's a stark reality we must confront and strive to prevent. The good news is that it's not too late to act. We can all become guardians of the hive, taking steps to protect these vital pollinators and ensure that their buzzing flights continue to enrich our lives and sustain our planet. Protecting bees is not just the responsibility of scientists and policymakers, it's a call to action for each of us. Just as every bee plays a vital role in the hive, every individual can make a difference in the fight to save these crucial pollinators. Even small actions multiplied by millions can create a ripple effect of positive change, ensuring that the buzz of life continues to resonate in our gardens and across our planet. We can start by transforming our gardens and balconies into havens for bees, planting a variety of flowering plants that provide them with essential nectar and pollen throughout the seasons. Supporting local beekeepers and purchasing their honey is another way to contribute, ensuring that honeybee populations are cared for and their precious products are valued. Reducing or eliminating our reliance on pesticides in our gardens and advocating for sustainable agricultural practices are crucial steps in protecting bees from harmful chemicals that can decimate their populations. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of bees, the threats they face, and the simple actions we can take to help is essential for fostering a sense of responsibility and inspiring collective action. The future of bees, and indeed the future of our planet, rests on our willingness to act as stewards of the natural world. By embracing our role as guardians of the hive, we can create a future where bees thrive, where our gardens and countryside are alive with the sound of their buzzing flights, and where the delicate balance of nature is preserved for generations to come. Imagine a world where children can still marvel at the intricate dance of bees, where our air is filled with the sweet scent of honey, and where the fruits of the earth are abundant thanks to the tireless work of these tiny pollinators. This is the future we can create, A future abloom with promise if we choose to act now and protect the fragile buzz of life that sustains us all.